Alright, so we got a new generative mask we're working with here. So first off, let's go ahead and grab your sine wave. We'll throw that in, put it right here. And to save time, I'll go ahead and pull up, show you guys what I'm working with here. So feel free to copy these stats. And from that point, I will drop you guys a plugin here, the ISF Glitch Pixel Shifter. So here's the settings you're going to want on that one as well. And as you can see, I basically just have it on a timeline, and I have the plus thing on, so it's constantly going forward. But I also have external FFT on, so it's going forward, but the speed picks up as the music's going as well. And then what I'll do is I'll drop that up here above my content, put a 50 mask on that, and layer it over my content. So over here you can see the mask, and then over here you see what the mask is doing, interacting with my clip here, and I got a shader added on in the background. So if you got any questions, feel free to ask, and have fun with it.